Redfoot. Hey girl. There we go. There's Redfoot. She's a pretty tame chicken. Anyway, back in earlier this year, actually in the wintertime, I was working on the chicken coop probably around February, and I was going to come out here. I was showing everybody like the door, you know, the sliding door. We got a light in there. So here's where the chickens roost, and they love it. They love it up on that top shelf right there. And the poop box has worked out really well because I can pull that out, clean it every day. And then this is where the chickens lay in the eggs. So this morning, right out here, oh, there's Redfoot. Hey girl, how are you? You after bugs? Get the bugs. You can do it. Get the bugs. Yeah, you want to jump up there, don't you? You want to jump up there. And you're looking for bugs. Anyway, getting back to here. So I built this box, and the purpose was so when the chickens lay an egg, oh my goodness, we got a chicken on my arm. Hey girl, how are you? Okay, chicken on my arm. No, Redfoot, what are you doing? I gotta get back to the video. Silly chicken. Okay, anyway, getting back to the video. Built the box, and this morning I come out here, and it's like, there's the eggs, all 4 of them. This is the first time we actually got 4 eggs, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. I can't believe she's up on my shoulder. Silly bird. All right, go back around here. So this is where the eggs roll into. Okay, come on, you gotta get down. They lay the eggs in there, it rolls down into the box. Yeah, that is so cool. 4 eggs. There you go, girl. There you go. In you go. All right, we'll leave her in there. All right. Okay. There. Open this up for ventilation. All right. There it is.